Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be going over what are watch lists on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the ability to add an item to your watch list. What exactly is the point of a watch list? So take for example, if we hop onto our eBay app here and we click on this Pokemon card here, if we click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner and then click on watch this item, what this is going to do is that it's going to add it to our watch list. The watch list is basically a section on your My eBay app. So if you click on My eBay and then click on watch list underneath shopping, you're going to see that card that we just added. It's going to be a nice indicator to let you know whether or not this is the last item, or maybe the price has dropped, or maybe basically it's almost gone. So you can see here I have some items added to my watch list, and it gets these indicators anytime it's down to its last one, or maybe it's the price drop. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what are watch lists on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.